Welcome to Epiroc, a leading global productivity partner for mining, natural resource and infrastructure by providing cutting-edge technology. Our offering covers rock drilling, cutting, loading and hauling, ventilation and material handling equipments, all supported by round-the-clock service. Rock drilling tools and technical expertise, ensuring performance, availability and reliability. Founded in Stockholm, Sweden, Epiroc serves customers in over 150 countries through a passionate team of more than 13,000 employees, 23 production facilities and 145 years of experience. Our principal product development and manufacturing units are located in Sweden, Germany and United States. Epiroc has a strong presence in India with its corporate headquarters in Pune, Engineering Center CM Tech at Bengaluru and two state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities at Nashik and Hyderabad. The company has a strong sales and service network of 8 regional offices and 80+ channel partners across the country and is driven by a team of 1,000+ highly skilled employees. Epiroc Product Company Nashik started its operations in 1970. The state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is certified for ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015 and Occupational Health and Safety Management System 45001-2018. The manufacturing facility is spread over 60,500 square meters, having over 300+ committed employees. Epiroc Product Company Nashik manufactures products for global market through 4 divisions: underground, surface, tools and attachment, parts and services. We manufacture machines that deliver superior performance in the most efficient and cost-effective way. Our machines are more than mere pieces of equipment. They are sustainable solutions that deliver better safety, higher productivity and peace of mind. Epiroc Product Company Nashik houses world-class lean assembly flow line with optimized processes focusing on quality, energy efficiency and safety. At Epiroc, we make industry-leading investments in technology and processes for continuous improvement to stay ahead of the competition, providing the best-in-class products to our customers. The dedicated testing centers are key to the success of our products. Our advanced test center for hydraulic breakers and ventilation fans are one of its kind in Asia. Our dedicated research and development team is committed towards constant innovation for maintaining overall strongest product portfolio. Our effort is to develop the right products in the shortest possible time to fulfill customer needs, strongly supported by the Global Engineering Center CM Tech. Epiroc Product Company Nashik is strategically located with easy availability of skilled personnel, material resources and good connectivity with Mumbai Port through road and air. Our dedicated service team ensures customer satisfaction across the globe through on-site startup support, genuine parts availability and training. Epiroc acknowledges the importance of its employees and endeavors to develop them through training on skill upgradation, safety, quality, health and global interactions. The Dexterity Training Center provides hands-on training of best assembly practices to engineers. Social responsibility and employee engagement is an integral part of Epiroc. Various activities are designed throughout the year to keep the employees happy, thus bringing out the best in them. Keeping environmental responsibility in mind, Epiroc Product Company Nashik has invested in a sustainable energy-efficient building installed with renewable solar energy, effluent wastewater treatment plant and rainwater harvesting for ground recharge in our premises. Our wide range of products include boomer for fast and efficient tunnel advancement in underground mining and construction, high-pressure ventilation system for successful tunneling and mining operations, articulated underground trucks for reliable haulage in medium to large mining and construction operations. Epiroc series of light and compact, highly reliable pneumatic surface drill rigs suitable for quarrying and construction application. Epiroc SH series of compact and robust semi-hydraulic drill rigs for quarrying, construction and open-pit mining application. Epiroc series of rugged hydraulic drill rigs for quarrying and open-pit mining application. Versatile range of dimension, stone and exploration equipment which offers robust performance, higher productivity. Powerful range of blast hole drills for higher productivity in coal, iron ore, limestone and other metal mines. Innovative range of water well rigs for drilling of soft to hard formations in community, residential, agricultural and quarrying applications. Premium range of hydraulic breakers that provide superior efficiency and performance with high durability. Essential range of hydraulic breakers which offer reliable and economic solutions towards day-to-day braking tasks.
Epiroc Product Company Nashik is a world-class manufacturing center
delivering impeccable quality products across all continents. With visionary plans to develop more products and enhance its capacity, we are future ready.